everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to crochet this owl applique. If you're on my blog, the materials list is right below this video. If you're on YouTube, I'm going to go ahead and put the link in the description where you can find the written pattern and the materials list, and I'm also going to put the link for the Woodland Afghan, which is what the owl is a part of. We are going to start with a magic ring, chain 2, and then make 10 half double crochets into the round. Once you have your 10 half double crochets in the ring, go ahead and pull the tail end tight to close up the circle, and then join to the first stitch of the round. For round 2, we're going to chain up 2, and we are going to make 2 half double crochets in each stitch around. So the first round had 10 stitches, and then in this round we should have 20 stitches at the end. So once you get to the end of round 2, go ahead and join to the first stitch, chain 2, and then in the first stitch we are going to make 1 half double crochet, and then in the second stitch we are going to make 2 half double crochets, and then we are going to follow that pattern around. So 1 half double crochet and then 2 half double crochets is the pattern we will be following for round 3. At the end, join to the first stitch of the round, chain up 2, and then for round 4 we are going to make half double crochets in the first 4 stitches, and then in the next stitch we're going to make a single crochet, and then in the next 2 single crochets, and we are going to repeat that pattern of 1 single crochet and then 2 single crochets all the way around until we have 4 stitches left. So do single crochet and then 2 single crochets, and then once you get to around here where there's only 4 stitches left, I will meet you back there. So here I am almost at the end. I ended with a 2 single crochets into that stitch, and then there's 1, 2, 3, 4 stitches left, and I'm going to make half double crochets into those 4 stitches. So just 1 half double crochet in each of the remaining 4 stitches, and then join to the first stitch and then fasten off. Next we're going to do the ears. So the ears are going to be up here. We're going to start with the right one. So from where we fasten off, we're going to count 5 spaces to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're going to add our yarn. I'm just going to loop it in, chain 1, and then I'm going to make a single crochet into that same space where I joined, and then a single crochet into the next 2 stitches. So there's 3 single crochets total. Turn our work, chain 1, and then we are going to single crochet 3 together. So insert your hook into the first stitch, pull up a loop, insert into the second, pull up a loop, and insert into the third, pull up a loop. 4 loops are on the hook, yarn over and pull through all loops, and then chain 1 to fasten off. And that is one ear, our right ear. and then we just have to make another ear. So counting from where we joined, we're going 3 spaces to the left. So 1, 2, 3, adding our yarn, and we're going to do the same thing. So chain 1, make a single crochet into the same space, and then into the next 2 stitches. Turn our work, chain 1, and then single crochet 3 together. And then fasten off. So now we have the body and the ears, and we have to do the eyes. So we'll do the eyes next. For the eyes, we are going to use white and start with a magic circle, chain 1, and then in this first round, we are doing 6 single crochets into the ring. And then once you get to the end, tighten it with the tail, join to the first stitch, chain 1, and then we're going to make 2 single crochets in each stitch around. And then once you get to the end, go ahead and join to the first stitch, chain to fasten off, leave a tail because we will want to sew these onto the owl. And then for the middle of the eye, I just use a 6mm safety eye. I poke it right into the center where the magic ring was. And then you want to put the attachment on the back. And then here I have my other eye. So I actually like to put the eyes like on the body first, see where I like them, and then once I have those like situated where I want them, I will actually take the backings of the safety eyes and put it on the back of the body. And then I will take the yarn and sew around the eye onto the body. So then all you have to do now is take some yellow yarn and sew on the beak with a tapestry needle, and then sew on little V's for the feathers with tan yarn. So you can use the photo as a reference for the sewing. I hope you learned something new in this video, and if you enjoy crochet tutorials, be sure to subscribe to my channel.